I'm using to trade. So how does this trading strategy works? First of all, you're going to be marking from 4 hours time frame. You're going to be setting your trade, marking the areas of double top and again trend line, double top. Notice this, I said double top and trend line, double top and trend line. So after you've marked like this place, this is trend line, this is double top. After you mark a double top and again your trend line, because this thing works on double top or trend line, that's where you're going to be looking for a trade. If you see double top, you're going to looking for selling. If you see double bottom, I didn't say double bottom. If you see double bottom, you're also going to be looking for buying. So you also mark your double bottom, you see it, then also draw your trend line. Yes, this thing works there. So how does this trade work? Then go to 1 hour time frame. So this is parabolic SACS on MT4 and the default setting. Parabolic SACS, go to put parabolic SACS default setting, you see it. Then what you're going to be looking is for this. This is double bottom. It happened also on 4 hours. So what you're going to be looking for is for this thing after it has is from double bottom here. We are going to be looking for selling actually, not buying because of the double bottom. If it's double because of the double top, if it's double bottom, you're looking for buying. If it's double top, you're looking for selling. So here is double top, you're looking for selling. But then will you say no? You're going to wait for this candle to cross this parabolic SACS. It's either it crosses it or one of like this one of these dots that is here, one of these dots here now, one of these dots will start missing. Once you see that one dot have disappeared and it has showed at the opposite side, whenever you see that, so the next thing you're going to be looking for is for this, you now go to 15 minutes time frame. You're going to be looking for either a do what, a pullback. You're going to be waiting for a pullback or a consolidating. So pullback happened. It happened around here. But this one happened is consolidating. So from here is where you're going to be entering this trade. Either wait for pullback or consolidating. Okay, let me show you another one. Let us go to 1 hour time frame. Show you this one. Which one will I show you now? Okay, here now. Let me delete all this thing. Around here, let me remove this thing. You see it crossed, it touched the dots and the parabolic SACS, one of the dots disappeared and then went the opposite side. So when it touched the dots here, it disappeared. Then what are you going to do now? Which date is this? This is 2/9. That is it yesterday? Yes, yesterday. If you go to 4 hours, you discover that this thing is double top. There is double top, double bottom around here. So you're going to be looking for buy. When you touch the dot, then you're going to go to 15 minutes time frame. Let us go to yesterday. You see it is around here. Then you're going to wait for pullback. Sometimes pullback may not happen. What you see is consolidating. So consolidating happen, then you set your trade to enter. Let me go back to 1 hour. So what if the thing cross like here now? There is double top at the top. That is, we are looking for what? For a you are looking for what? For a what? For a selling opportunity. But along the line, there was no pullback. Here now, there was no pullback. Which date is that? First, that is last 3 days. Here now, I see it. There was no pullback, so you leave it. There must be a pullback. For this strategy to work effectively, there must be a pullback. So that you don't enter wrongly or you don't enter at a higher price. There has to be a pullback. Because if you enter here now, it's true that it trended, but if this thing go back now, you will lose a lot of money. So you don't enter here. You have to wait for that pullback to happen. So the reason that this strategy is good is that whenever candlestick crosses this parabolic SARS on 1 hour time frame, is more authentic. Yes, there's this assurance that it will trend. Believe me, it's more authentic in 15. It's more authentic than in 15 minutes, also than in 30 minutes time frame. Yes, 30 minutes time frame, the parabolic SARS might cross. Yes, but whenever it crosses on 1 hour time frame, it is more authentic that it will surely trend. Especially when you are following, when you already know where it will go. Yes, when you already know where it will go. Okay, see this one that happened here. I will say that it has already, the next day, it has already crossed here because there was no, yes, it has already crossed here. Then it put back. Then you have to go to 15 minutes time frame and enter around here. So this is how you're going to be shaking it. This is another day. It has already crossed here at the opening of the day. Because you're not going to trade it. You're going to wait for that pullback. Then you go to your 15 minutes time frame, wait for that pullback and enter around here. But you also need to know where your trade will go. Yes, you use double top and with or trend line to know where your trade, double top or double bottom on 4 hours or trend line to know where your trade will go for that day. Then you now use this technique and do what? And enter. It's a very simple trading strategy that will give you a lot of profit. Okay, look at this one. This is, it happened there. Which day is this? I want us to go to the day. There is 27 August 2025. Let us go on 15 minutes. 27 August. Okay, is it 27 August? 27 September. August. Yes, August. Let's go to 27 August. Okay. So this is 27 August around here. You see where it happened. Here. You see where the pullback happened. Then you can enter from here. So that is it. It's very simple. But then you need to know where your trade will move. So you have to get confirmation where your trade will move using your trend line and also using double top on 4 hours. Yes, you need to use to determine where your trend will go. And when that thing breaks the 1 hour, whenever it breaks 1 hour, here, then wait for pullback. Don't enter without pullback. You will see either pullback or you will see consolidating. So after then you now still go to that 15 minutes time frame and enter where? Yes, and enter where, because whenever this thing crosses and makes a pullback, there's assurance that if it come back again to cross again, it is very authentic. Thank you very much.